In this video, you'll learn how to add fingerprint unlock on your Pixel 9 Pro XL. By following these steps, you will enhance the security of your device while ensuring quick access using your fingerprint. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 9 Pro XL and locate the Settings app on your home screen. Once you open the app, you will see various options. Scroll down until you find Security and Privacy and select it. In this section, look for the fingerprint unlock option within the menu. Before proceeding, ensure that you have already set up a PIN or password for your device, as this step is essential for the fingerprint setup process. Next, tap on the Add Fingerprint button to initiate the registration process. The device will prompt you with on-screen instructions to guide you through the setup. When you are ready, place your finger on the fingerprint sensor located on your device. It is important to lift your finger and place it back down repeatedly during the registration. Make sure to cover different angles of your finger, as this will help improve the accuracy of the fingerprint recognition. Wait for the process to complete fully, as this step is critical for recording your fingerprint data correctly. After successfully registering your fingerprint, it is time to test the fingerprint unlock feature. Lock your device by pressing the power button. Once it is locked, attempt to unlock it using the same fingerprint you just registered. Observe how quickly and accurately the device responds to your touch. If the response is satisfactory, you are all set. However, if you find it necessary, you can add additional fingerprints for other fingers or for different users. This will enhance convenience and accessibility for your device. Remember that the effectiveness of the fingerprint unlock feature can depend on how well the fingerprint data was recorded. If you experience any issues, consider re-registering your fingerprint by following the same steps. This ensures that the device can recognize your fingerprint accurately under various conditions. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.